Hey there, everybody. This is Reverend Wilson, the direct mail expert. I'm telling you, I'm pumped and excited. I'm pumped and excited because, folks, we've got a hold of something here that is absolutely incredible and absolutely powerful and absolutely money generating. I'm talking about the MyResClub. Folks, I'm telling you, you can take $19.50. And, folks, this is a special price that I don't know how long the owner is going to be doing this. It's normally $199 to join this real estate travel platform. Folks, it's $19.50 with my special code. But here's the thing. How many of you want to make $1,000 by next week? I know some of you raising your hand right now. How many of you want to make $1,000 by next week? Folks, we have combined MyResClub with the done for you come up system that is exploding on the scene. And folks, this is brand new. Did you hear me? This is brand new. Now, first, with the My Resale Club, $19.50, folks, guess what? Every 3 people you refer, the company's going to pay you anywhere between $130 to $200 the very next day. Bam. And that's every 3 people over and over and over and over and over again. Every 3, bam, you're going to make $130 to $200. Every 3, every 3, every 3. Folks, this can accumulate easily to $1,000 a week. And folks, you can make $1,000 a week right now by next week. I'm telling you, you can do it right now, but you got to take action right now. You got to take a $19.50 action right now. Some people get upset with me. Some have gotten mad at me, but I'm telling you, folks, $19.50, if that is going to hinder you from your financial wealth, then this is not for you then. And if you have to think about it, converse about it, sit down and try to figure it out about it, it's not for you. Folks, this is for an action taker. This is for the action takers right now, because when you become a part of my team with MyResClub, you're going to get a blueprint. Some of you may be thinking, I've never made any money before. That's perfect, because this is for the struggling marketer. You ought to be saying, nothing has ever worked for me before. That's okay. We got a 21-day blueprint to 10K a month. Did you hear me? We got a 21-day blueprint to 10K a month. And I'm going to have that information in the description where you can have the privilege of coming into my group, coming into my Facebook group and looking around. I'm telling you, folks, this thing is powerful. $19.50 is all it takes. $19.50, and then we've combined another opportunity with it called the come up system. And it's called the come up system because it's time for you to come up. It's time for you to come up and stop being broke. It's time for you to come up and start getting some generational wealth. It's time for you to come up and stop living that paycheck to paycheck. If you can follow a blueprint. Folks, we got a millionaire blueprint. We got a blueprint in the My Come Up system. Folks, $100K to $1 million plan. $100K to $1 million plan in the Come Up system. And the Come Up system is absolutely powerful. It's separate from the MyResClub, but we've combined them together for maximum generational wealth. So get involved. The information is in the description of the video. $19.50. Let's get you in so you can get access to our done for you group. Okay? Access to our Saturday trainings. We had a training yesterday by a millionaire. I'm telling you, that training was incredible. And you only get access to it when you get involved at the My Resale Club, $19.50. Bada bam, there it is right there. I'm going to have a few links in the description. Go ahead and click on the link and join my group so you can see what's going on, see the excitement that is taking place. I'm ready to help 5 to 10 people right now make $1,000 by next week. But you got to act right now. You got to act right now. I mean, today, right now. I know it's Sunday. But if you're watching this on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, if you're watching it right now, go to the link and just go ahead and get started. Enter my special code and go ahead and get started. 1950. Every 3 that you refer, you're going to make $130 to $200. You can make $1,000 by next week. I'm talking fast because I'm excited. I'm excited. And what I want you to do after you come in, I'm going to get an email that you're in the system. Then I'm going to get you, goodness gracious, I'm going to get you into our group. I'm going to get you into the Saturday trainings. I'm going to get you that 21-day blueprint to 10K a month. And then you're just going to go ahead and go right into, oh my gosh, step 2, which is the come up system. And folks, you're going to be tremendously blessed with so much wealth when you get that blueprint, that millionaire's guide in the come up system, the blueprint to 100K to $1 million plan. Folks, we're not playing here. 2023 is going to be your year, but it starts at 1950. Go ahead and click on the link in the description and then call me or text me that you are in, and let's get you acclimated. Let's get you receiving that $1,000 by next week. Let's do it, and let's do it today. God bless you, Reverend Wilson, and I'm out, and I'm waiting to hear from you right now. God bless you.